No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you my food that I got from Giant and everything I got. And it's a lot of yummies. So I got P.F. Chang's, sesame. This is all the boring stuff first. I got some canned goods, some Bushes. I got Reese Puffs and Cookie Crisp and Golden Crisp and Corn Pops and Lucky Charms. I got the nacho cheese taco shells. I got deluxe mac and cheese. I got more rice. I got coffee. I got white cheddar popcorn. I got Simply Apple. I got Almond Joy creamer. Oh yeah, this is a part of a tag. This is the part of a tag, the refrigerator tag. Renee tagged me in it, so I'm also doing this for her. And here is the milk. I got a bunch of little drinks for the kids. Lemonade, strawberry lemonade from Wawa. What else? Mayonnaise Miracle Whip for potato salad. Yogurt, ground beef, maple bacon, apple sauces, that's garlic, lots of butter, cream cheese for my blueberry bagels, lots of eggs and sour cream, and I love these Chobani Flip yogurts, and so does my daughter. Cottage cheese doubles, hot dogs, salad mix, Italian blend. Lots of carrots and apples and celery, lettuce, chocolate milks from the girls' school, energy drinks, Sprite, Coke, water, Baby Bells, more cottage cheese, shrimp, whipped cream, crescent rolls, all the condiments, provolone cheese, chipped beef, shredded cheese for tacos and quesadillas, Paw Patrol string cheese, squeezies for the girls. I got these cheese blocks back there. Monterey Jack and Pepper Jack for my shrimp macaroni salad. Oh yeah, and I got Lunchables. And here is all the stuff on the fridge because Renee was showing her magnets, so I guess I'm supposed to. Here's Mia and Ginger. Here's my daughter's SpongeBob drawings from 2 years ago. There is my daughter last year with her half brother. He's not mine. Magnets. They blocked this, I guess. Here is my daughter's. There's Marissa. And that's Callie. And that is an awesome mag, one of my favorite magnets. There they are at Walmart. Here is Marissa. Yoshi. Oh yeah, anybody that gets a stainless steel fridge, see what happens when you let water run down it. And you don't clean it up. My kids did that. There's the kids again. Iron Man. Me and my hubby. That's when I was a little chunkier. Our snake when he was a baby. I'm trying to make this quick. My phone is dying. We got Yoo-Hoos. We got Krispy Kremes. Nutter Butters. I got these. I forgot the freezer. We'll get there. Doritos, Cheetos, Pringles, bread. This is kettle corn popcorn. These cookies. Can I make it quick? Tasty cakes, goldfish, Swiss rolls, Snickers, fruit snacks, kind bars, all the healthy stuff at the bottom. Nutri-Grain bars, Jelly Bellies, High Tea, SpongeBob gummies, Pop-Tarts, dried cranberries. There's also raisins. What else? Nature Valley bars, granola, Ritz crackers. It's a lot. Bagels, hot dog rolls, little box of cereal, tortillas. Let's see the freezer before the phone dies. This is one of the things I want to show you guys. I'm so excited. Yum. And then we got pizza, we got chicken, ground beef, pork, pumpkin pie, cheese hot dogs, Oscar Mayer, a healthy choice, little pizzas for the kids, chicken nuggets, biscuits, sausage biscuits. I got 5 T-bone steaks, I got a pork loin, I got more chicken, I got broccoli florets back there, I got shrimp, Brussels sprouts. This is what I'm going to eat for dinner. Might as well take that out now. Leftover garlic bread, more leftover each. Okay. These were on sale. It's feeling really Chinese today. More ground beef. Yeah. So that is, oh yeah, I got dum-dums. But that's everything. And I'm sorry for anything that I missed. And I hope you guys enjoyed my refrigerator haul. And I am going to tag Nina. Yes, Nina, you. And Tammy. So you guys do your refrigerator video, please. And thank you.